Experiencing problems with your Tesla Model 3's visualization system, like cars not showing on the screen or sensor data failing to display? You're not alone. These issues, affecting the central touchscreen, instrument cluster, and autopilot features, can stem from software glitches, hardware malfunctions, or even environmental factors. Common symptoms include cars not showing in visualizations, black screens, or unresponsive displays. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing these problems, drawing on the latest information and solutions as of January 20th, 2026. We'll explore solutions that can restore your visualization system to optimal performance. Start with the simplest solutions. A soft reboot involves powering off and on via the touchscreen. If that doesn't work, try a hard reboot. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the system restarts. According to Tesla's service data in December 2025, running version V12.3.1 includes bug fixes for touchscreen freezing and sensor visualization lags, resolving 70% of reported cases with this method. If rebooting doesn't solve the problem, sensor recalibration might be necessary. You can find the recalibration option in the service menu or through a Tesla service center. Ensure your sensors are clean and free from obstructions like ice, snow, or dirt. In regions with snowy conditions like Minnesota, a 2025 study showed 40% of visualization issues were linked to icing. Storing your Model 3 in a garage and manual defrosting are potential workarounds. Recalibration and proper cleaning can significantly improve your vehicle's sensor performance, as shown by the increasing reliability meter. Hardware recalls can address visualization issues in your Tesla Model 3. Check if your vehicle is affected by recalls related to the visualization system, such as the October 2025 recall for ultrasonic sensors in 2021-2023 models. If problems persist after checking for recalls, schedule a service appointment with Tesla. After service, your vehicle's performance can improve significantly. Tesla service centers provide expert help to resolve visualization problems. The future of Tesla visualization is promising. By 2026, AI-driven diagnostics are emerging and are using onboard data to predict and preempt visualization failures, potentially reducing downtime by 60%. The upcoming Model 3 Highland, expected in 2027, will integrate next-gen sensors with better waterproofing and AI visualization, aiming for 99% uptime. This represents a significant improvement in reliability from current performance to near-perfect uptime. For the latest information and troubleshooting tips, consult the Tesla Service app, official Tesla forums, and reputable Tesla news sources. The Tesla Service app provides direct access to scheduling, diagnostics, and video guides for visualization issues. Remember, user diligence and proactive maintenance are crucial for maintaining optimal visualization performance in your Model 3. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk stated in a 2026 interview that most display problems are transient and solvable with a simple reset.